morning children, welcome to mathematics class. Class 2nd, subject maths. So yesterday we were discussed about ordinal numbers. So what are ordinal numbers? These are the numbers which used to identify the position of the given subject. Okay, what are those? FIRST first, SECOND second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. So I hope you all are by hearted the spellings of ordinal numbers from 1st to 20. If you did not do this, so by heart the spellings. And yesterday we were writing practice, page number 179. So today we will do the D and E problem. D, they have given some objects positions in a sentences. We should do that, write it, and then we should identify the position of those animals. 3 toys are put in a row. Okay, 3 toys are put in a row. The teddy bear is in the middle. So teddy bear is in the middle. The toy car is to the left of the teddy bear. So teddy bear's left is the car. Then the ball is to the right of the teddy bear. So here ball is right to the teddy bear. Next, what is the order of the toys from left to right? So from the left to the right. So write that full questions. Car is in first place. And teddy bear is in second place. So this is the order where the toys are kept. And the third one is ball is in third place. Okay, this is question number D. What they told? There are some toys, 3 toys in a row. Teddy bear is in middle. So left of the teddy bear there is a car has kept, and right of the teddy bear there is a ball. Okay, totally there were 2 toys, and we should write the place of the objects. Car is in first place. They asked us to tell the position or places from left to right. So car is in first place, teddy bear is in second place, and the ball is in third place. Okay, and the E. And just down of this, here there is a place, you write it down what I wrote on the board. So first you write car, then teddy bear, and car first. This much you write enough. Car first, then teddy bear second, then ball third. This much one line you write in this gap. Okay, that much is enough. Here is a gap. So you write this answer. Okay, and then we will go for E. Honesty, Honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Make a meaningful word by using a using the 6th, 2nd and 7th letter of the word honesty. Honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Make the meaningful word by using the 6th, 2nd and 7th letter of the word honesty. So which is the 6th letter, which is the 2nd and which is the 7th? So first we will see 6th letter. First, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So T is the first letter, 6th letter and the second one, first, 2nd. Okay. O is the 2nd letter and the 7th letter. First, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So 7th letter is Y. So the answer is toy. Toy meaning the object, the thing which we will use for playing. You will use toy car, giraffe, like plastic things for playing. These are known as toys. So the word is toy. There is a place here down. You write the spelling T-O-Y. Toy. Got it? Next. Activity. Aim. Representation of ordinal numbers. Material required. A sheet of chart paper, sketch pens, a pair of scissors, print stick. Procedure. Put out the letters from printastic in such a way that they form a sequence of words into a sentences. We are good in maths, and paste them on the sheet of chart paper. Now look at the position of each letter on the chart paper and complete the following sentences. Dash is the 3rd letter of the sentences. Dash is the 7th letter of the sentences. We are good in maths. Okay, this activity we are good in maths. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Is the 3rd letter. Is the 3rd letter. Is the 7th letter. Is the 1st letter. Is the 12th, Twelfth, 12th letter of the sentence. Is the 10th letter of the sentence. Is the 11th letter of the sentence. We are good in maths. Okay, there are some letters. First, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 30th, 14th, 15th, 16th. Okay. Now we should see the sentences and we should write the answer. So dash is the 3rd letter. Which is the 3rd letter? First, 2nd and 3rd. So A is the 3rd letter. Which is the 7th letter? First, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So I is the 10th letter. Next, which is the 11th letter? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. So N is the 11th letter. So this is all about activity. Then life skills. Mohit got 5th position in the relay race on the sports day. He wanted to be on the first position, so he started working on his health and fitness. He cuts down his time to watch TV and stopped eating junk foods. Next year, he again took part in the race and secured first position. Write any 2 values that you can learn from Mohit. Okay? So, if we work hard, he was in second. Okay, he was in second place. After work hard, he got first position. So, first and second we should write. Mohit was in 5th rank, then he secured first one. So, the value of this story is practice makes man perfect. Yes, he practiced more and he worked hard, then he got the first place. So, position if you want to write 5th and first we can write it. Okay, mental maths. Which birthday comes after your 3rd birthday? So, if you celebrate 3rd birthday in this year, so next year which birthday will come? 4th birthday. So, which birthday comes after your 3rd birthday? So, first one is 4th, F-O-U-R-T-H, 4th birthday. If every 3rd cat is eating a rat, then the cat at 12th position will eat the rat or not? Yeah. If every 3rd cat is eating a rat, then the cat at 12th position will eat the rat or not? Yes, it is eat. It will eat. Because every 3rd place means this is the skip count of 3. So 3, 6, 9 and 12th place the cat will eat the rats. Okay. Next, I know 1, 2, 3 dash are called cardinal numbers and first, second, third are called ordinal numbers. Already we have learned these things in this lesson. An ordinal number tells the position of something in a list such as first, second, third, etc. First color red, second color green, third color blue, fourth color yellow, fifth color pink. So 6th color purple, 7th color white, 8th color black, 9th color grey, 10th color orange. To identify the position of the object in a line. So in the sense, the ordinal numbers helps us to identify the position of the objects. So project work, write the name of your family members in the order first, second, third, who goes out in the morning from home. For example, your grandfather is first who goes out for a morning walk. Yes, they have given order, name of the family member. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. If morning before your grandfather, if your mummy goes out to do something, you write your mother spelling. Then second, if your father goes out, just observe that and you can write the answers. So this is the lesson number 2, ordinal numbers. So what you have learnt in first lesson? Numbers revision. So we learnt in the first lesson what is the before number, after number, between number, and putting comparison of numbers by putting greater than, less than and equal to signs, and then writing numerals, writing number names, skip counts, addition, subtraction, writing in reduced form and in expanded form. So, and multiplication also you learnt in first lesson. That all things you should keep it in your mind. Don't forget it. Okay. And then ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. So these are the ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers are used to identify the position of the objects. Okay. And tomorrow we will start lesson number 3, numbers up to 1000. What we will learn in this lesson? Let's see about page number 182. Reading and writing the numbers up to 1000. Number names and numerals. Expansion of numbers with respect to place value. Counting and regrouping into hundreds, tens and ones. Comparing numbers using place value, counting in different ways. Ascending and descending order, forming the greatest and the smallest numbers with and without repetition. Okay, these all things we will learn in the next class. And what you have to do is, you should repeat or recall the first lesson as well as the second lesson. By heart, it's very important that to by heart ordinal numbers spellings. FIRST first, SECOND second. So you should by heart the spellings of ordinal numbers, and then by heart the spelling tables from 0 to 15. Okay. Later this week you by heart 0 to 15, and the next week you by heart 0 to 20 tables. I hope you understood this. Thank you.